But let's get you some of the highlights of what the leader of opposition said as he began his motion of thanks by dismissing President Murmu's address and then fired a score of charges at the government from issues with regards to the economy to also foreign affairs. Here's a look at all that Rahul Gandhi levelled at the government, prompting a counter also.
I would like to bring attention to Gudki Fort, located in my constituency of Anantapur South.
Pandemonium in Parliament on a day the House began discussion on the President's address on Monday.
The reason I'm saying this, sir, is because the rules have been changed.
Taking part in the debate, Leader of the Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, spoke on a range of issues from defence to AI to caste census to the Maharashtra election results. Rahul Gandhi claimed that the army differed with Prime Minister Modi's statement on Chinese intrusions, provoking an angry reaction from the Treasury benches.
The Prime Minister has denied it, and the army has disagreed with the Prime Minister that China is sitting on 4,000 square kilometers of our land, of our territory.
ऐसा इस सदन में अब मन चाहे बात नहीं बोल सकते हैं। ये बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है सर, ये सीरियस मामला है। मेरा अनुरोध है, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन बोले, हम लोग शांति से सुनेंगे, ये आपका अधिकार है बोलने का, मगर आप मन चाहे ऐसा सीरियस इशू पे कैसे बोल सकते हैं? ये सीरियस मामला है।
The Congress leader cited the caste census in Telangana to claim the OBC population could be as high as 50%. His claim that OBC MPs in the BJP were powerless led to a ruckus.
There are OBC MPs in the BJP. There are Dalit MPs in the BJP. There are Adivasi MPs in the BJP. Remember, you are OBCs, you have 50% of the population, and you have absolutely no power. I know that you're sitting there and you cannot even open your mouth. That is the truth of the country. Participation, revolution in this country that we're going to bring.
ये अंधेरा हो गया है।
पार्लियामेंट में
ये कुछ दिखता नहीं है।
सोनिया गांधी, प्रियंका,
ये लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन को कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता है। ओबीसी बात करते हैं।
Rahul Gandhi claimed the government's Make in India initiative had failed. He admitted both the UPA and NDA governments had failed at job creation.
A universal problem that we have faced is that we have not been able to tackle the problem of unemployment. No, neither the UPA government nor today's NDA government has given a clear-cut answer to the youth of India about employment.
While the India bloc hailed Rahul's speech as visionary, the BJP slammed the leader of the opposition for deviating from the crux of his debate. The opposition MP staged protests in the Lok Sabha earlier, demanding a discussion on the January 29th stampede at the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, which claimed 30 lives and left 60 others injured. The demand was, however, turned down. Prime Minister Modi will reply to the debate on Tuesday. With Rahul Gautam in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.